everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn English in a very easy way. Let's get started. How is everything? Everything is fine. What are you doing now? I'm doing my work. Where are you going? I'm going home. Are you free now? Yes, I am free now. What's the problem? There is no problem. Can you help me? Yes, of course. What do you want? I want some help. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. What happened? Nothing happened. How was your day? My day was good. What time will you come? I will come at 5 p.m. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Please wait a moment. Okay, no problem. Is everything ready? Yes, everything is ready. What should I do? You should wait. Are you tired? Yes. I'm a little tired. What are you thinking? I'm thinking about my work. Do you need anything? No, I don't need anything. Shall we go now? Yes, let's go. See you later. See you. What are you doing? I'm working now. Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. Who is calling you? My friend is calling. Me. Why are you late? Because of traffic. What time is it now? It's 7 o'clock. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video,
Hello
please like,
everyone.
share, and
Welcome back
subscribe
to my
to my
channel.
channel.
Today
See you
we
in
are
the next
going